Hello, and welcome to the alpha release for Minigolf Wonderland. We've got a 9-course hole here for you guys to try out, and hopefully you guys end up liking it. Give me some feedback. So as you can see, just staring at your golf, start over there, knock the ball into the hole here, comes out of the ground, ready for you to drop into the next starting zone, and continue on from there. Now, of course, if you accidentally lose your ball over the edge like that, not a big deal. You can just bring the ball back with the A button. It'll go to wherever you last hit it. So right here. Then you can continue on from there. Now, that did cost me a couple of extra points, unfortunately. Oh man, I'm doing terrible. Says, if the ball goes out of bounds, you get an extra point on top of the hit you already did. So 6 points. Pretty bad, but yeah, it could be worse. You can use that same trick to not just pick up a ball and carry it over you to the next hole. You could just, drop it over there with the A button. So instant teleportation. Depends on how you want to get going on here. Similarly, if you were to say lose your club over the edge, oh no, it's gone. Just hit the Y button. There you go. Let's see. You can bring up your score with X. So let's see. That was par, not bad. And the A button, no wait, B button, sorry, will just drop the ball off wherever you want to, like this, putting you in free mode. Now you do have to put the ball back wherever the last hit location was, or last stop location in this case. So right here, boom. We're now out of free play mode. Boop. All right, reverse hit. Now let's see, what's to stop you from going and dropping the ball in the hole like this? Well, the big no enter sign for starters. We actually keep track of where the ball is, if you're making points, or if you're in free play mode, which happened here when we picked up the ball, and we keep you from just, dropping the ball in the hole, getting a score of 0 points. Oh, that's not fair. So, oh dear. Now, I am recording in a very tight space right now, so it's every once in a while the hands might go a little out of sync, so sorry about that, folks. I'm gonna try bouncing off the back corner. Need a little bit more strength. Oh well. So we're nearing the end. Let's see what else. So you guys have a general idea how this works? Let me know if you have any questions. If you find any more bugs. I've been doing a pretty decent job of, trying to find every scoring bug I can think of. So hopefully, you guys will get a nice, clean experience without any problems. So long term, we're thinking of doing a Kickstarter for, let's see here, so that we can regularly add new courses for you guys to play. Both virtual courses with a lot more detail than this. This is just a white box mock-up. And also photographed versions of real courses. So we'll be using some, digital magic, a lot of photographs, and the goal would be to license real courses from, real places for you guys to be able to play online with your friends. Give it a shot. Let's bring in some extra revenue for the folks who own the actual courses. Miniature golf is unfortunately a bit of a bit starting to die off, which is a shame because it's a fun game. I'm terrible at it. good 12 over par here. But, yeah. It's still just a ton of fun to play, especially when you can play with friends. So yeah, first focus will be adding multiplayer. Then more courses, possibly a course creation tool, so that you can make courses for your friends. And also long term, we're going to be getting into photogrammetry. So get real courses from real life for you guys to play. Okay, so I guess that's it for now. Goodbye, club. Goodbye, folks. Hope you guys had fun watching this, and see you later. Bye.